In this short frequently asked question video, we're going to learn about AudGram. So we're going to show you how to transform audio content into engaging videos, and you're going to see how the AI-powered solution can help you convert podcasts, interviews, and voice notes into visually stunning videos that capture audience attention. To learn more, you can go to fabrecommendsit.com/AudGram review, demo, and bonuses. So let's get into answer your question. What is AudGram? Well, let's start off with the problem. Audio content alone struggles to gain traction on visual platforms. So the solution is AudGram, which transforms audio into eye-catching videos called audiograms. The other problem that you have is creating professional video requires technical skills that many creators lack. The great thing about AudGram is that it automates transcription, captioning, and visual design tasks. I have a link to the demonstration if you want to see a little bit more about AudGram, and we'll see you in the next video.